Hey everyone, Jason Hill here, and today I'm partnering with Ling Ling Asian Foods. They reached out and wanted to know if I would do a recipe on their chicken pot stickers. I did not hesitate because honestly, I've been using their product for years. It was one of my kids' favorite things to put in the food rotation during the week. Not only is it simple, fast, and easy to make, it's good protein, they have clean label ingredients, very low calorie. You can eat them over a bed of rice, some noodles, or even just by themselves snacking in their little wonderful dipping sauce. But today I'm going to make a pot sticker soup. So let's get started. Okay, we're going to prepare the pot stickers like you would in a pot over medium heat, putting in a tablespoon of canola oil in there. You want to coat that evenly. You might have to use a little more oil if you have a wider pan surface. We're going to drop in 12 pot stickers. And I just want to brown these up a little bit before we start adding everything else. So this will serve four. You'll get 3 pot sticker dumplings in your soup serving. And once you lay them in there, you don't really mess with them. You just let them go through their little cooking process here. And we'll fit that last one in there. I'm just going to go ahead and start sprinkling in a tablespoon of fresh grated ginger. Now we can turn these over if we want, but I'm just going to brown one side. Oh, I love the smell of fresh ginger. Camp for a few minutes on medium heat, maybe medium high. You can see they're starting to brown. So at this point, we are going to add 1 tablespoon sesame oil, followed by Asian chili garlic sauce, 1 tablespoon. Now I'm going to put in 3 cups of mushroom broth. This is left over from when we were reconstituting our shiitake mushrooms, and there's 3 cups there. 4 cups of chicken broth. Next, we have 3 tablespoons of rice wine vinegar. And then our soy sauce. After the 1/4 cup of soy sauce, I'm adding 3 cups of sliced shiitake mushrooms. And then 2 cups of fresh baby leaf spinach. So easy, so fast. And we're just going to bring this up to a low boil, put the lid on, and check it in a few minutes. All right, after about 6 minutes with the lid on, you can see it's coming to a simmer now, and we are going to simmer this for an additional 15 minutes, just to make sure everything gets cooked through. Okay, after another 15 minutes, these pot stickers are done. Okay, before you serve, let's give it a little final taste test. Yes, I think I'm going to add a little pinch of salt. And then another tablespoon of soy sauce. Just to give it that little kick. All right, let's eat. All right, we're going to spoon this over a 1/2 cup of already cooked thin rice noodles. We have to get a few ladles of broth in there. This is one hearty, healthy soup. We've got enough broth in there. Let's fish out our wonderful pot stickers. And we're just going to lay 3 of these in there. And make sure you let this cool a little bit before you dive in, because it is hot. All right, and then we just want to garnish with some diced green onion and some fresh cilantro leaves. And there you have it. Okay, it's time to try the soup. Get one of the little pot stickers here. Get a bite of that. Take a little sip of the broth. This is just a great alternative way to prepare these pot stickers than the traditional way. And it's very hearty and very flavorful. So please give this recipe a try. Please let me know what you think. And as always, thanks for tuning in. That's good.